So on this filters screen, we have one switch list tile for the gluten-free filter, but of course that's not enough. I have 3 other settings which I also want to be able to set from there. And therefore I will copy this, and again we could outsource it into a separate widget instead, but to save some time I'll just copy it here. And my second switch list tile here will be all about controlling the lactose-free filter. So I'll adjust the title here accordingly. Of course, the styling is the same, so it's really only the text that changes. Also for the subtitle. And we'll need to manage some new state. Hence, I'll add a new variable here, the lactose-free filter set variable. And we can also already add variables for the other filters that can be set. For example, the vegetarian filter and the vegan filter. And then we can go down there again to the switch list tiles, and for the lactose-free one, I'll change the value to use this new underscore lactose-free filter set variable, and also update that variable if the list tile is tabbed or changed, to be precise. And then I'll copy this switch list tile again, also add a comma here, but copy it again, and now add the vegetarian filter here. Only include vegetarian meals. And then last but not least, add the vegan filter where I only add vegan meals. And I also need to update those values and state updating functions. So for the vegetarian list item here, I refer to the vegetarian filter set and update that variable here. And for vegan, it's the vegan filter set, which is also updated here. Now with that, we should actually see all these options here. If I go to filters, yes, and all these options work independent from each other, which is of course quite nice. Now we just need to make sure that these settings here are also saved when we navigate back, and then also do affect what we see here when we do choose a category. For example, I don't want to see a hamburger if I actually selected vegetarian or vegan. So that's what we'll work on next.